Hey Stanislav, it's Albert here. All right, so this is how I was able to duplicate your issue. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna go. Give me 1 second here. Let me back up. All right, so I'll give a live link here. All right, so we'll start there. All right, and then we'll go to my domain. And I did this exact same process to duplicate your issue, and I was able to duplicate your issue in your account over and over again, doing this exact same process. All right. So essentially, these are opening the same page from two different locations. Okay, so I'm using the main link here from the funnel, and then using the main link from the domain, actually copying and pasting the domain link. Okay, so that's exactly how, and you'll see in the video I'm sending you, I did this exact same thing and duplicated your issue. Okay, and that's the video I sent up to our CX team explaining exactly what your issue was, showing that in your email input area, your input field, that there were two different messages. Okay, so just know that we do understand the issue, but you could see here that I can't duplicate the issue in my support account, and my team lead couldn't, and neither did our CX team. Okay, so and the reason for that is that each account is specifically separated. Okay, yes, there are things in the background in the server that are kind of collectively running the entire platform that are connected to each account, but ultimately the account itself is separated. So if anything goes wrong within that account, it's isolated. Okay, it doesn't reach other accounts. Okay. All right, bud. So I would suggest following the instructions. Um, it would probably be easier to just clone the funnel. Okay, just clone the funnel, change the path paths for each page, and then move on from there and see if that would help uncatch the issue. Okay, and then you can just archive the old funnel that has the issue. All right, bud.